Thank you once again for joining me here on Commercial Property Club podcast, where we're talking about the special topic for today for physicians in terms of the 4 strategic ways of building wealth when it comes to apartment investments. Number 1, cash flow. Cash flow is king. We all know that. The first and the most immediate way to build wealth with apartment investing is through cash flow. This is the net rental income you earn after all expenses have been deducted. Expenses like mortgage, expenses like property management, maintenance, and taxes, and the likes of your insurance. The key to strong cash flow is actually buying property in markets with solid rental demand, which is markets with favorable rent to expense ratio that you can say are very good. Looking for opportunities to increase your cash flow through also some strategic ways of renovations, operational efficiency or rental increase also too. Cash flow not only helps cover your costs but also provides financial security in time of economy down too. So there you have it. Cash flow is king.